Hello viewer, in this video the Samsung Galaxy S25 series, this changes everything. Samsung is gearing up for a transformative 2025, promising a significant shift in innovative after an apology for a lack of a new feature this year. The Galaxy S25 series will feature a top-tier processor including the Snapdragon 8 Generation 4 and MediaTek Dimensity 9400, which is an ambitious production target of 22 million units. Exciting technology updates are expected, particularly for the S25 Ultra, which will mirror element of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. A potential reliable smartphone is also in the pipeline, aiming to set Samsung apart in the competitive landscape. The company is poised for a strong comeback, focusing on performance and groundbreaking technology. Innovation refers to the introduction of a new idea, products, or method. In the context of this video, Samsung apology for a lack of innovation highlight the company's recognition of its recent stagnation in smartphone development. The promise of massive change in 2025 suggests that Samsung aims to re-establish itself as a leader in innovative technology, akin to its groundbreaking advancement in previous year. The Galaxy S25 series represents Samsung's upcoming flagship smartphone, set to debut in 2025. This series is crucial for the company's strategy, as it includes a model that will utilize the latest processor and innovative feature. The emphasis on realizing approximately 22 million units indicates Samsung's confidence in this series to drive sales in market presence. A processor or a central processing unit is the brain of the smartphone, responsible for the executing, introduction, and processing data. This video mentions that all modules in the S25 series will feature the latest Snapdragon 8 Generation 4 chip, signaling Samsung's commitment to high performance. The transition away from Exynos processor marked a significant strategic shift aimed to improve device capability and user experience. Exynos is a Samsung line of mobile processing that have traditionally powered in smartphones. In this video, the statement "Goodbye Exynos" signifies strategic departure from this processor in favor of using only Snapdragon chip in 25 series. This decision reflects a commitment to high performance and efficiency, addressing past criticism of Exynos chip. The emerging reliable smartphone in an emerging design concept where the can expand or retract, offering a large display in a compact form factor. This video discusses Samsung potential launch of a reliable flagship smartphone in 2025, which could revolution how users interact with their device. This innovation is seen as a bold move to compete against other brands like Huawei and Honor, which have also introduced a unique form factor. Camera technology in the smartphone encompasses and hardware and software used for capturing photo and video. This video highlights Samsung's plan to enhance the camera experience with the S25 Ultra reportedly featuring camera lenses similarly to those found in the Galaxy Z46 series. Improved camera performance is essential for appealing to consumers, especially as mobile photography continues to grow in importance. Self-projection refers to estimate for future sales volume for a product. This video mentioned that Samsung aimed to sell around 22 million units of Galaxy S25 series, indicating the company's confidence in this series market performance. Such a projection help guide market strategy and production decisions as they reflect anticipated consumer demand. One UI 7.1 is Samsung customized user interface for its smartphone, designed to enhance user experience with smoother refer to the rivalry between companies in the some industry striving to attract consumer and increase market share. This video points out that Samsung focuses competition from other brands like Huawei and Honor, particularly in terms of design, and recognizing the competitive landscape in critical for Samsung as differentiator is offering and regain landscape in the smartphone market. Special edition in the variant of the product suggestion. This video mentions Samsung limited special edition of the Galaxy Z46, which is equipped with the advanced camera technology and a thinner design. Such edition can create a buzz and attract early adopters, helping to maintain consumer interest in the brand. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If any question about this video, so please give me a comments.